changes, and she's telling people we need to protect the planet. What could we do as a school?
Why? We don't want any more than that. So our why should always have a value of 1. Do we care what
And the school, they might also then take that on with them when they're
why? We don't want 3x's. We don't mind 3x, but we don't want